what's up everybody? Morning, Dad.
Morning.
So today we're gonna go to Evia in Cavite. Just gonna take the 1200C around. My brother's friend lent it to him, so my dad's gonna test it out because James Bond. And I'll probably use the RT or the GS, and whichever I'm not using is what my brother's gonna be using. So yeah, let's get to it. Yo, what's up? So we're chilling at my brother's place in Las Piñas. Hi, RT. And Dad just rode the R1200C. Yo, what's up everybody? So we just got here at Evia. There's my brother. We're about to have some Starbucks here at Evia. So yeah. Really cool, man. Look at me. I look like a UK policeman. Woo! Recording?
Yeah.
Ito. Yo guys, so I just got home with my dad. He's already inside. And my brother got off at, I want to say Don Bosco exit over at Makati, because that's where he works in Chino Roses. Yeah. So, yeah, hope you enjoyed. Bye.